Guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are in the kitchen. We're gonna make a quick breakfast and catch up later, so let's go right ahead and do that. This is a Sunday reset vlog, so come with me and let's have fun on this day together. Let's have fun. Now that I'm done with the breakfast, I'm going to go out, and I'm meeting a friend, and when I'm back, maybe I'll pass by the supermarket and buy some vegetables because I don't have greens. I also wanted to stock a little bit on the meat. I want fish, I want chicken, and I want cuts of beef. So we will go out and come back and see what we get, and later maybe we can make dinner if we are not so full, and have fun. Lunch, I'm going to take it outside, and then I'll come back for dinner and I'll show you. See ya, guys. For lunch, we had arrosto and French fries with some salad. It was so yummy. And we also ended up having samosas and masala chips, which was delicious, and it looked so good. I passed by the supermarket and I got some items in this carton. I got these beautiful mugs, and this mug is going for 110 Kenya shillings. I think it's cute, and I got two. One is there and the other one is here. They are super cute. One is going for 110 Kenya shillings, and it's a good size. So I got two for my tea and coffee times. I also got Indomie, 2 packs. This pack. I got these tilapia fillets from Farmer's Choice. I also got a salted chicken pack. I also got a kg of beef sausages and cut of beef, a sheer bottle of Coke. I also got these pocket wipes. These are baby wipes. I always use baby wipes because they are so gentle. So yeah, these are good for the face. I also got soft care baby wipes, this big pack, 8 pieces. I also got Dawn toilet tissue, 4 packs. I also got 2 packs of Cortex, regular and normal, 2 packs. Each is going for 280 Kenya shillings. I also got my Garnier micellar cleansing water. This is the pack that I always get. I love it. Pocket tissues. These ones for my handbag. Those are the things that I bought from the shop. Got some oranges from the market. This tastes so good. I also topped up on tomatoes because I want to be having more tomato soup. Got some greens, kale, spinach. I'm storing this in my fridge. I'm also refilling some Maggi cubes and spices, stuff like that, which I also got from the supermarket. I got liver. I'm boiling some meat here, and I have lemons. For my dinner, I'm having Indomie with some bites of meat. I'll have fresh juice, and we call it a night.